Hey everyone, this is Onion. It's Sunday, March 21st. Today I'm going to go over Global Star with you, look at some technical insight, short selling activity, institutional activity, the Reuters report, and the Morningstar Quant Computer report. Here I like to use the 6-day chart, the 6-week chart with Global Star. And I mentioned I do cover Global Star every day. And I mentioned, beginning of the week, the price is going to follow the 21 moving day average downward, and it has. But it's found support at the 50 days, so it's going to bounce in between here for a few days. Unless there's a press release or some news that comes out, it looks like we've pretty much hit a trend here, and it's going to be going sideways. There were two bullish indicators triggered last week. And that was just because there was some strength, but you can see here it's going down. The lower indicators are showing, starting to show downward trend. Everything's starting to curl down. The MACD was going up there a bit, but it never crossed the average line to indicate a bullish trend, and it is starting to curl down below the zero line. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Momentum's dropping, and the other indicators are starting to curl downwards. You look at your RSI, it's only at 48, so it's pretty much smack dab in the middle. The share price is where it should be, and it can go either way, fairly easily. But for now, the indicators are pointing sideways or down a little bit. If we look at the short selling activity here, Friday was very light. It's been dropping off quite a bit lately. You were in the high 20s, almost in 30 a few times, but the last 3 days have been under 15%. So there really isn't any incentive to sell Global Star right now short. So you're going to find this dropping quite a bit. I think next week. Even the borrow rate was only 1%, and there was 6.1 million shares available on Friday, and they really didn't short very much at all. So the institutional activity, nothing has changed or been filed for the last, it's been a while now. But the put to call ratio that the institution owns, if a value of 1 here means equal put and call buying, so the number of 0.04, obviously there's a lot of weight on the calls. There's 143 institutional owners, and they represent 17.59% of the float. So if we look here, we'll look at the Morningstar report. This one is the Quant Computer, and it gives a fair value of $1.27. And basically, all that measures, the Quant Computers measure the financial valuation and the operating performance. And there is quite a bit of information here. So, the uncertainty is high, but still, this is where your fair value is. And this was Thursday's close, so I don't know why they have this number in here. But anyway, this is your fair value here, $1.27. This is your the Reuters report here. And if you don't get this report, I like it. It's really good. There's not a lot that stuck out to me here, but what I'll do is I'll scroll downwards. So if you don't get this, you can pause anytime and read any information you want. But you can see here the average score is 1 out of 10 for Global Star. So it is in the bottom percentage of companies on the stock market, but it's you can take that information as you like here. I'm just going to scroll down, like I said, fairly long, and then I'll just give you a chance. So whenever you want to pause it, just pause it and take a look. This is a very good report. I like it. It gives you a lot of things, especially with bigger companies. It really goes in depth, so that's the end of it there. Now, if we look at the analyst, I believe there's only one analyst covering Global Star like that I get. I know there's quite a few, but there was one rating here. I believe it was 55 cents, but that was way back in January. So I haven't gotten any updated analyst ratings yet. So this was your price target from Morgan Stanley, 55 cents. So basically that's it. I cover Global Star daily, in these videos here. So I hope this video helps. Good luck trading next week, and take care.